Umintri rang ba ka jala ukon rat ke sangma hababu ya umau nongrim nakabenta ka jing pynbha bat pynheh ya ka surok Weiloi Mawkyrwat Rangthong ha South West Khasi Hills ha ka khat nyau trik nailar ulo ong baka jing pynroi ki surok ka dan ka benta ka bakong san ban plelat ya ka roi ka par khamtam ha ki district ki badan shakithan ki bapaji Kanika project ka basis pa sa folklore tingka ka balabe pura nakaplat tingka jong ka jala ka day umau mer hakajing persyang jong ka sorkar ban penyari kilat penyeso bat ban pentik na bakaroy ka par kan poy shabar jong ka nong ba shlong syakit han ki bakendang tam jong ka jala Hakanika program layadon lang usembut menteri rangba ka jala uba president tensang menteri katana tourism utimoti di Shira ki MLA ba Rinekton Lingdo Pius Marwen Olan Singh Sun ba Dr. Celestine Lingdo Habakren haga jingalang umentri rangba ula banjur bagi jingbe tingka hagi jingtei kidei ki jingbe tingka nakabentai ki ba Man ka tingka bangi bay hakilat penyaso kamdei ka bapenut tang hakarong bat umau Kadai ka jingbe tingka nakabentai ki beriau bat kumno bakilong kumikin poi da kabasuk shiki hospital haduk katno ki kena kin laban poi testa shalai ki jong ki school bat kumno kinong rap da ka jing sngo scam kin laban pen poi ki mar ki mata shiki yo ki han ulaang Habak daw halor ka jing pai kmat jong ka sorkar ban penbiang tarajur nakabenta ka roi ka par haman ki than ulaang baka khana jing job jong ka jala Meghalaya Haka roi ka par ka day ban kentup ya barok ki district ki badan shaki jala ki bapaji. Ka thong ka jongi barabor ka long ka bashay. On omdan ki than ki district ki ban sha no shadin. Ka roi ka par ka day ban sedang na ki than ki bakendong bat poi shaman la ki shnong ki thaw ulaang. Ukon rat ulak daw bagi district ki blasha no ben barok shikata kum ka South West Khasi Hills South Garu Hills but East Giant Hills mentai kiladan hapadeng jengkiman kampen roy jong ka sarkar. Habak do halor ki project umintri rangba upentip banado usnam arjar khatpra hadu palat praspa san folklore tingka ki project lapentrai ha South West Khasi Hills hakaba ki jingkin thoplang ye ki jingkular menta kilajan poi shaka khandai spa khandai folklore tingka. Kini kikin thop ikijing tay ki bayaday bat ki surang ki skim pen poi umbam umdi ki jaka pule ki jaka sumar bat ki kam penrai bayaday bat ki kam jungok kai ka bapen iya ka rukam terekam ka babenia bat penyo benta lang hakajing penrai syaki district Ulapan pau syuk bahaduk palat lai hajar ars 4 kilometer ke surang lakdap benshna hakaleng ke jela Meghalaya hakini ki prasnam ki baladam kabalong jan kumba 10 kilometer haka shisngi kata kabapen iya ka jingtei borba kabampat jujia menuru hakalyang kilat penyaso
And it's not easy for us as a government to sanction these kind of projects because they are very large. 140 crores from state's own money is not a simple and small project. 140 crores coming in from the state's budget reflects the importance, reflects the commitment that this government has towards the people of Southwest Khasi Hills. It is a different story if we get funds from central government or from any other scheme. It's a different story. Because then there are many schemes and many government programs come. But when we do it from our own resources, then it means something special. And hence I am truly glad that today I was able to come. But I am truly happy that I am able to be here, to be part of this very, very, I should say, important project which has been waiting for a long time. The people of Mawkyrwat area and Southwest Khasi Hills have been waiting for this road project for a very long time. This is something special to me also because I also have promised this to the people of Southwest Khasi Hills. So it gives me also a great sense of satisfaction to be here to finally see the dreams, the aspirations, and the commitment today come true. I'm very hopeful that the work for this will start very, very soon. And I expect that within the next 12 months to 15 months time, we should be able to see almost the whole road complete. There could be some stretches where technical problems may be there, but I'm sure most of it should be complete by or before Christmas next year. Friends, in the last 8 years, it has been the endeavor and efforts of our MDA government to ensure that no area, no district is left behind. Traditionally, what people used to see as corner districts, remote districts, be it South Garo Hills, be it Southwest Khasi Hills, be it the northern western tip of West Garo Hills, be it the extreme end of East Gente Hills. These areas used to be seen as remote, neglected, and backward districts. But our government has ensured that for us, our vision should start with those remote districts. So like that, our development agenda has been spread across. And I'm happy to inform you that in the last 8 years from 2018, close to 850 crores worth of projects, about 150 of them have been done in Southwest Khasi Hills. Just in Southwest Khasi Hills, 850 crores worth of infrastructure projects. And this, my friends, is one of the highest sanctions that this area has ever seen in the last 54 years.
This important project, 140 crores, starting from Weiloi up to Rangthong village, covering of the distance of not less than 40 kilometers. Sir, under your leadership, we are as we are today. We are as we are today, and we have seen too that Meghalaya is already in the right direction. Other states in different parts of India are looking to Meghalaya. And friends, you are all aware that we are of today the third state performing third fastest growing state in India. I think it's a blessing from the above that Meghalaya, such a small state, people like us, we are now competing with the big states in India, and we are number 3 in front of the government of India. We have seen the quality that you have, and we have also seen the commitment you made to serve the state of Meghalaya.